Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create glass morphism on Pixellab. I'm going to be taking you through the step one at a time. If you are new here, this is how videos. I teach people how to use Pixellab more efficiently, and I also offer design tips for graphic designers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also share. Thank you. Let's get started. So the first step is to open your Pixellab and you click on from gallery to select the background that you're going to be using. So for this, I'm going to be using this background. So then you are going to select on shape, then you're going to increase the radius of the shape, then you adjust it to where you want it to be. So now I'm going to lock this, then I'm going to click on transparent to make the background transparent, and I'm going to save it. After that, I'm going to press on this icon to return the background back. So now we're going to go to Snapseed to edit our background, and to do that we're going to click on lens, blur lens, then I'm going to adjust this. So this is how I adjusted it. Then I'm going to increase the blur strength, then reduce the transition. So you can see that the background is already blurred, and I'm going to save it. So after this, I'm going to go back to Pixellab. I'm going to hide this shape, and I'm going to bring in that transparent shape and adjust it to where I want it to be. So I'm going to lock it. Now I'm going to go to texture. So I'm going to select the picture for the texture of the shape. So I selected the one with blood, so you can see how it came out. After that, I'm going to go to stroke. So I'm going to reduce the stroke. So the stroke color here is white, so I just reduce it to 1. Then I'm going to go to shadow. So the shadow is also going to be white. So you can see how I reduced it. I reduced it to 1. And I'm going to go to inner shadow as well, so to create that effect that we are looking for. So you can see now. Yes, so I'm going to click on a new text and put in our text. So yeah, I selected a new text in order to add my name. So I'm going to change the font. So after changing the font, I'm going to reduce the size and just put it right here. So after that, we're going to save an image. Remember to always save it as ultra. So now here is our design. So you can see that we're able to create that glass effect through the method that we use. So that is how to create a glass morphism on Pixellab. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Maybe you have any questions or you're confused about anything, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.